Hey guys, today we're going to talk about numbers in words and standard form. So every single number can be expressed in terms of words. The first thing that you should probably know is that some numbers have hyphens in their names. So let's give some examples of this. Given a number like 12, right? Well, 12, this is an example of one that doesn't have a hyphen. 12 is spelled like that. Simply, it's one word. Okay, pretty simple. Now, how about the number 21? 21 is spelled like this, 21. And as you can see right here, there's a hyphen. So the number 21 has a hyphen, but what other numbers have a hyphen? Well, let's pick one between 1 and 100. Let's say 53. 53 spelled out would be 53. Oh, and there appears to be a hyphen here as well. So basically the trick here that you should remember is the numbers 21 through 99, all the numbers in between this range have hyphens. So 21 has a hyphen, 53 has a hyphen, 43 has a hyphen, 72 has a hyphen. These all have hyphens. Now numbers 0 to 20 do not have hyphens. Now let's take a large number. Let's say 532,682,062. So given this large number, let's write 21 to 99 just for reference to the side here. These are the numbers which include hyphens. So let's start writing down the number in terms of words. So 532 hyphen, because 32 is in between 21 and 99. Now, what place is this 2 here? Well, as I covered in previous videos, this is the thousands place. And this is the millions. And this is the millions. So we would say million. And I'm just going to continue down here because it's very long. 600. Now we have 82,000 and the last triplet would just be 62. And 62 is in between 21 and 99, so it also has a hyphen. So this is a nice way of writing out this large number in terms of words. Now, I split it up into 3 parts. You could write this all in one line, but I just did it because there wasn't enough room on the screen. So altogether, it'd be 532,682,062. It's also important to note that in between each line that I wrote, you need commas. So after 532 million, you'd have a comma. After 682,000, you'd also have a comma there. Now, the last thing you probably should know is how to do the opposite. How would you go from words to standard form? Standard form, again, is just numbers like as their standard form. Simply put, these are all numbers in standard form. All 3 of these are examples. So how would you go from wording back to standard form? Well, let me write an example of a number in terms of words. 235,000,000 64,000 800 22. Now this is a lot of words, okay? So how do we turn this 235,064,822 into its standard form? Well, let's start from the top. First, we have 235 million. So let's just do 235 million. Okay, well, since it's million, then there must be a comma afterwards. 64,000. Well, 64,000, I don't see any 100,000s, so 100,000s would be 0. And then we have 64,000, so comma again. 1,000 and million are both indications that commas go afterwards. And then 822. 822. So this would be the number in standard form.